Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor. Today we are sat in a 2008 BMW 3 Series. This is an E92, not any E92. This is a iDrive equipped BMW E92 where officially you can't change a stereo in it. You can't put a double D in it. It's not possible. Well, we made things possible here, so let's show you what we've done. No off-the-shelf solution for this car. Full fabricated fascia in-house, trimmed in, as you can see, an almost perfect match to the factory dashboard. So this means the factory iDrive, we've kept that all still working. So in essence, we've relocated the factory head unit to the boot to keep the iDrive system working with the iDrive controller. Let's turn it on so you can actually see it. Let's put the key in. Ignition, crank it up. That is a BMW CCC iDrive boot up splash screen. Thought it'd be quite nice because when that boots up the first thing in the morning, that comes up with the same screen, so they actually perfectly match, which is a really nice little touch. Yeah, this took a while to do, but we fabricated the fascia in-house. Like I said, we've rewired the iDrive head unit, so we've actually extended all the cables, including the video cable for this screen, all the way to the boot. We'll show you that in a second. So basically that means the customer can use this iDrive controller here and fully control everything. So he's got BMW Online, BMW Assist, all of the factory controls of the BMW iDrive screen. And it also means when you sit it in reverse, customer will get his optical parking sensors all working as well, which he also wanted to keep. And what we've also done is we've also installed a reverse cam on the Kenwood screen, so he's got the best of optical parking and reverse sensors all on the screen. He's also got steering wheel controls. They operate the new Kenwood head unit, which is a real nice touch. So everything still works seamlessly in this, but at the same time you'll agree it looks fantastic. DAB aerial's up there in the windscreen. That's the official Kenwood DAB aerial. We've also got the Kenwood DRV N520 dash cam, the official Kenwood dash cam. And because it's all stored by us, you get the 3-year warranty on this Kenwood DMX AE21. Awesome unit. It's got DAB, Bluetooth, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Yeah, stunning. Now let's take you around the back and show you basically the iDrive thing in the boot, which you can't really see because we've covered it up, but it's good to have a look. Yeah, so there, underneath there is the actual factory iDrive head unit. We've made a shelf up, trimmed it in grey carpet so the customer can still put stuff on top and use this, and it hides obviously the ugly head unit you don't want to see. And then obviously there's the cables that we've all extended to the front of the car. So yeah, job's a good one. Turned out really well. Extremely happy with the job. But yeah, we love these jobs. When they're not off the shelf, they're more custom. That's right up our street because most of our clients get told it can't be done, but we like to try and do anything that's possible here. But yeah, jobs are a good one. So yeah, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Drop us an email, call, give us a shout. This is John Cleese Car Audio, Connor signing off. Ta-ta.